Namaste and hello friends, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to do the single leg rotation. How to synchronize your body, mind and breath while doing the single leg rotation is really important, as this rotation is going to open your hip joints, your hamstring muscles, strengthening your core and opening your hip muscles. So let's do it together. Bring your feet together, lengthen your spine. This is Sushuptadasana. Give a nice stretch by flexing your heels and toes, and then comfortably exhale. Then bring your arms by the side, toes flexed. Inhale, lift your right leg as much as you can. Then on exhalation, drop your right leg outside. Then inhalation, up towards the gravity, exhale, against the gravity, inhale. If you want to increase your stretch, then you can flex your toes and heels, which means on exhalation, when the leg is going down, you are stretching your heel. Then when it's coming up, you are stretching your toes. This is how you are going to do the leg rotation. First we are going clockwise, then we are going anti-clockwise. Or if you feel that you are tired, then you can switch your legs. You can directly start with the left leg, but make sure on left leg it goes outside first. It means anti-clock then clock. Now on right side we are going with the anti-clock. Synchronizing your breath. The rotation you can do 8 times, 10 times, and once you get enough strength you can stretch it to 15 to 20 times also. There are various types of variation, so you have to count how many times you are rotating. Then once you are tired and your count is over, then drop your leg comfortably down. Make sure when you are doing with the left leg, you have to count and rotate in a same way. Once your both legs are done, then you can apart your legs, toes dropped out, half a meter apart, your legs, arms apart, palms facing up, Shavasana. One can also lie down in Sushupt Baddhakonasana, because the core muscles and legs muscles are relaxing. Meanwhile, you can have a good stretch on your inner groins also. Just flapping your legs few times with your arms pushing on your thighs comfortably. Equally you are flapping, then you are giving a gentle pressure. This will help to open your pelvis region, and it relaxes the whole back, core and the tired muscles. Then once you are done, your legs apart, your arms apart, and again lie down in Shavasana. Or regular practitioner can go with the posture, but beginners, make sure you are relaxing your muscles, your body and mind at each steps. Step by step you have to improve. Keep practicing and see you in next video. Stay healthy and happy. Take care.